Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Tango Coins. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Here, click on the Coins option in the bottom section of your screen. Here in this page, you can see certain amount of coins with certain amount of money. If you tap on Show All, you'll see all the other options as well. Now all you have to do is select how many coins you wanna buy. For example, you need 0.99 cents for 100 coins. Now select the amount of coins that you wanna buy. Let's say I want 100 coins, then I'll have to tap on 100 option. Then on this pop-up menu, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card option. After that, you'll come across another page where you'll have to enter your card details. I cannot record that page because of certain privacy reasons, so all you have to do in that page is enter your card details and proceed. Then enter the amount of money you'll have to pay, and after that you'll have to check out. So that is how you can buy Tango Coins. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.